And therefore, with the CBI team now at Sushant Singh Rajput's Bandra residence for a second round of investigation, this after the probe agency questioned the late actor's cook Neeraj and flatmate Siddharth Pithani. They are important because they were the last to see him alive and after the mortal remains were found. According to sources, CBI has found inconsistencies in the statement given by Neeraj and Siddharth Pithani. They are being repeatedly asked about the sequence of events and if that matches on 13th and 14th of June. In the last 2 days of examination, India Today learnt their statements have contradicted each other. Sushant's flatmate, Siddharth Pithani, is being quizzed for the second day. Cook's Neeraj is the third day of questioning. House manager Dipesh Sawant is also being questioned today for the second time. Also, India Today has learnt CBI may quiz the partner and Sushant Singh's girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti, who has also faced accusations of allegedly siphoning off money and abetment to suicide charges.
Hi.
And tracking all the latest from outside the Sushant Singh Rajput residence is my colleague Munish Pandey. Munish, because you've been there since yesterday now, what is this contradictory statements that's coming in? This is very interesting. If both of them were at the same place at the same time, how possibly can they have contradictory comments?
Yeah, well, when the Central Bureau of Investigation started recording the statement of Neeraj, first of all, they found inconsistency in the statement of Neeraj, which he gave to Mumbai police, and then what he gave to the Central Bureau of Investigation. The first inconsistency CBI spotted in both these statements, after which when Siddharth's statement was being recorded by the Central Bureau of Investigation, again there was some inconsistency about what he told Central Bureau of Investigation about Neeraj and what Neeraj had told the CBI. So at this point of time, CBI thinks that is one person out of these three who is not revealing the entire truth, and that is why this testimony is very important for CBI, because CBI as of now is focusing on all these three people, Neeraj, Dipesh and Pithani. Now why these three people? Because CBI suspect that whatever happened is about 13th and 14th, and on 14th when the incident took place, these are the three people who are aware of everything. If there was any foul play, then they are aware of it. If there was if it's a case of murder, then they are a part of it. If it's some other conspiracy, then they are also aware of it. It is a case of suicide, then also they are the person who knows everything. That is why their testimony is being scrutinized by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and that is why both of them, Neeraj and Siddharth Pithani,
and Munish, the big question, the name of the partner that had been mentioned in the Bihar police FIR as well, and now of course all eyes will be if Rhea Chakrabarti is going to be questioned today or not. And with that question, I want to bring in this breaking news as well, that after going through the footage of the recreation conducted yesterday, forensic experts have raised some doubts, after which CBI and forensic teams have decided to again conduct this recreation. Mumbai police officials first reached the scene and are now also with the CBI. They are searching for any possible further evidence. Remember, the building is being taped and videotaped, and that they have also taken possession of the entry register now from the security guard. So two questions there, Munish. First, over to you. Is Rhea Chakrabarti going to be questioned today or not? And the second day of recreation of the crime scene, why was that significant? Over to you, Munish.
Yeah, well, Pooja, Rhea Chakrabarti will not be questioned today. I have a confirmation from my sources in the Central Bureau of Investigation, and they have told me they will not question her today. After going through all these statements, there is a high possibility that tomorrow they will go and record Rhea's statements. She might be summoned and called at the DRDO office where the CBI makeshift office is, and they might record a statement in their own office, and otherwise they will go and record her statement at her residence. So this is a high possibility tomorrow she will be questioned, not today. Apart from that, when CBI yesterday recreated the scene, they were here for almost more than 5 hours. Everything was done. The CBI also videotaped the recreation, and when the experts sat through the night, they found that there was some inconsistency through the video footage. They had their own doubts, and they again requested the CBI officials that they should go to this crime scene and again recreate so that there should not be any doubts to the experts, because their opinion, their analysis will reveal at least one thing. They will clear this doubt that whether it's a case of suicide or murder. So this is very important for the CBI, and that is why they
Krish, I want to add here because you are there, you are giving us all latest inputs to say that today CBI is searching for any possible evidence. 60 days, 2 months after the death, what possible evidence can the CBI now find if it has not been tampered yet with or has gone missing? Also, they have taken entry register from the security guard. Entire building is being videotaped. Wouldn't this have been done by the police as well, or is this now being done by the CBI specifically?
Yeah, well, Pooja, for any criminal case, the state police is the first responded, and in a professional investigation, they should have conducted the search operation for the entire building, because there is a high possibility, if it is not case of suicide, there might be some evidence lying still in the building. But, you pointed out very right that the possible evidence might have been tampered now. They might have been missing, because if there is any suspicion, if the person is aware of it, that person will not wait for CBI to come after 2 months to find that evidence. So it is going to be very important. But CBI claims that because it's a fresh investigation, they are looking for every possible thing, and that is why yesterday we saw that they were on terrace and they were even inspecting the air-conditioned boxes, the outdoor units, so that if anything can be lying inside the AC unit also. Also, because there is not much time for the Central Bureau of Investigation, they are videotaping the entire building, and frame by frame, the experts will sit through the night and they will check for any possible evidence in the building. So as of now, we can say that CBI is searching for any possible evidence, because it is going to, give a very crucial lead for the CBI if they found anything suspicious. Apart from that,
yes,
register entry is also very important, because whoever came on 13th or 14th, that person is going to be important. Also, they will be looking for the entire period from 6th June to 14th June, because there is a connection between 8 June and 14
yes,
June. 8 June, Riya Chakravarti leaves and Sushant is dead on 14 June. So there is a strong connection. So this is why this register is also very important. But you rightly pointed out, this should have been done by Mumbai Police, not by CBI at this point of time.
And is time also running out, like you are mentioning, but CBI is now on the job, and Munish Pandey has all the latest inside scoop. He's been outside at that residence getting us all the latest, only verified information, no conjectures here either from either side, and we are going to ensure we continue to put the credible inputs only here in public domain. I'm heading into a short break. Coming up next, Pakistan's terror list.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.